Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Skill for Life channel, where learning English is easy, friendly, and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's so good to be back with you today. I'm Liam.
It's great to have you here, Liam. How are you doing today?
I'm feeling really good, thank you. I had a quiet weekend and lots of rest. How about you?
I'm doing great too, and I'm very excited about today's topic.
Oh, now I'm curious. What are we talking about today?
We're talking about a problem we hear all the time from English learners.
A bake problem?
A very big feeling.
Okay, now I'm really curious. What is it?
Today's topic is, I understand English, but I can't speak.
Ah, yes, that is the number one problem. I hear this from so many people.
Me too. They say, I can watch movies, I can listen to podcasts, but when I try to speak, my brain stops.
Yes, the words disappear. It feels like everything is stuck.
Exactly. It feels like your voice is locked. But today, we're going to share 8 powerful and practical tips to help you unlock your English voice.
That sounds perfect. This is a very important episode.
It really is. But before we begin, we have a small, friendly request.
If you like this podcast and you're learning with us, please take just 1 second to give this episode a like.
And please subscribe to the English Skill for Life channel so you never miss a new episode. Thank you so much for your support.
Okay, Emma, I'm ready. My English voice is locked. How do I find the key?
Tip 1. Change how you listen.
Change how I listen? But I already understand English. Isn't that good?
Understanding is wonderful. It's step 1. But now we need to move from passive listening to active listening.
Passive and active. What's the difference?
Passive listening is when English is in the background. Maybe you're cleaning, cooking, or driving. You understand, but you're not really focused.
Ah, yes. I do that a lot.
Active listening is when you listen and you repeat.
So I hear a sentence and I say the sentence?
Exactly. This is called shadowing.
Shadowing? Like my shadow on the ground?
Yes, exactly. You listen to a speaker and repeat at the same time. You can start small. Listen, pause, and repeat.
Listen, pause, repeat. Okay, I can do that.
Great. You're not just hearing English anymore, you're making English.
Tip number 2. Create your English mode.
What's the next tip?
Tip number 2 is to create your English mode.
English mode? Like a secret superhero mode?
Yes, it's a time in your day when you only think and speak in English.
Only English? That sounds hard. My brain loves my first language.
That's normal. So start by talking to yourself.
Talking to myself. People will think I'm crazy.
You can do it when you're alone. Just describe what you're doing.
Like, I'm making coffee. I need a cup.
Exactly. You're training your brain to find words.
Tip number 3. Learn chunks, not single words.
Sometimes I stop speaking because I don't know the words.
That brings us to tip number 3. Stop memorizing single words.
Stop learning words? But I need vocabulary.
You need chunks, not single words.
Chunks? Like a chunk of cake?
Yes, chunks are groups of words, ready-to-use phrases. Like what? Instead of learning point, learn that's a good point.
Oh, I can use that immediately.
Tip number 4. Speak every day.
Next tip, speak every single day.
Every day? I'm busy and tired.
Just 5 or 10 minutes. Every day is better than once a week.
Like training a muscle.
Exactly.
Tip number 5. Record your voice.
But who do I talk to?
Your phone.
Your phone doesn't answer me.
Use the voice recorder. Ask yourself a simple question and answer it.
I don't like hearing my voice.
Your accent is not bad. It's just you. Tip number 6. Role play.
Another fun tip is role-playing.
Like acting in a movie?
Yes. Pretend you're at a restaurant or the airport. Hello, welcome.
What would you like?
I'd like a pizza, please. Tip number 7. Make friends with mistakes.
Emma, I'm afraid of mistakes.
Everyone is. But here's a secret. Mistakes are your friends.
Friends? They feel like enemies.
Mistakes mean you are trying. Fluency comes after mistakes, not before. Tip number 8. Practice responding.
Last tip, practice responding.
You mean answering quickly.
Yes, train your brain to reply, not just listen.
So English moves from my ears to my mouth.
Exactly. Let's review quickly. Shadowing, English mode, chunks, daily practice, recording your voice, role play, mistakes, and responding.
That's the plan. Understanding is important, but your voice creates connection.
Speak every day, even if it's imperfect.
Before you go, please like, subscribe, and share this episode.
And tell us in the comments, which tip will you try first?
Thank you so much for listening.
See you next time.